Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a sack truck that I've had for a long time. It's got a flat plate on it, but it's got these small rubber tyres that are on a plastic rim, and periodically the air goes out of them and you can't get them back on. You need to reseat the bead. So if I show you what I mean, if I take an airline, unscrew this valve cap, if I take an airline here like this, or even a pump, bicycle pump or whatever, and put that on, the air just comes out around the edge. So what I need to do, this is a really simple trick, took me a while to figure it out though, but I've been doing it for years now. Get a piece of string that'll fit comfortably over the tyre there, and put it kind of around the center of the tyre. So it's around the center of the tyre, and then you get a piece of kindling, something small, a stick, and just make a tourniquet, twist that on. What that does is it pushes the beads, or pushes the bead of the tyre up onto the rim, and that might do it now. Let's hook this on and see. I'll just hold that there at my knee. Third hand would be useful. You can see there, that's it, it's seated. This should go up to 30. Well, 30 is probably a bit much, but that's it. So take off that string carefully, because it might have a bit of pressure under it. And that's it, ready to go again. And I found, like, this is probably 20 years, maybe 25 years that I have this sack truck. It was a really good investment, but it's still on its original tyres, and the plastic's all perished and all. Really good for washing machines and that kind of stuff, but once the pressure comes out of the tyres, you're stuck, so you need to reseat it, and that's how you do it. I've managed to do it with a bicycle pump once, but you need to really go for it to get the pressure in there, to get it to pop up, but you still need to put a piece of string around it. So hopefully that was helpful. Comes up from time to time. Thanks for watching. See you later.